Ready to get your ideas out into the world? Welcome to Pagewheel. We make building your next sales page fast, easy, and completely painless. Just pick a template, whether it's for a webinar, digital product, or lead magnet. Tell us a little about your vision, and we'll build your page in minutes. Need to manage your offers? The dashboard keeps all your projects, products, and links perfectly organized and right at your fingertips. Want to launch a course or membership? Our AI engine builds the tech for you instantly. And marketing? Consider it done. With promo packs, just give us one sentence, and we'll generate your content calendars, social posts, ad copy, and emails. Track your buyers, export your lists, or connect to your favorite tools with Zapier. All from one central hub. Customize your profile to train your very own AI voice. Link your Stripe or Digistore 24 account for payments, and you're ready to sell. Don't worry about mastering everything today. Just get started. And if you ever get stuck, real humans and AI assistants are one click away, ready to help you move forward. It's time to build your next big idea. Let's create your first sales page in the next video.